It's date night. Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I am Shelly, your new favorite YouTuber. And if you've already been here, then it is just your favorite YouTuber. It's just your favorite YouTuber girl. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this makeup look. And this video is done in partnership with BK Beauty. There's nothing like working with a brand that you already know and love. So excited for this. Like I said, we're gonna be doing this makeup look. I'm gonna show you guys from start to finish how you can achieve this too. I'm not gonna do too much chatting because I know what you came here for, but make sure that you do like, comment, and subscribe. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this makeup look. I am getting ready for a little date night and I wanted to sit down with you guys and do my makeup, show y'all how to make your makeup for date night. See what I did there? I am a former makeup artist, and one of the things that I would always tell my clients, invest in quality brushes. I don't believe that there is a way that you can achieve a bombshell makeup look without bomb brushes. You can't achieve one without the other. Shout out to BK Beauty for partnering with me in today's video to bring the girls exactly what the girls need. I've been using BK Beauty brushes for honestly the longest time. Two that I keep in my kit that need to be cleaned badly are these two right here. But BK Beauty actually hooked us up. This is the Angie Hot and Flashy 7-piece brush set. This brush set has all the brushes that you'll need to achieve a bomb makeup look. And they're multi-use. This A507 brush right here, you can actually use it for contour, bronzer, blush, and then the viral concealer brush. Hello? BK Beauty was actually founded by pro makeup artist and YouTube creator Lisa J. And this set was actually done in collaboration with YouTube creator Angie Hot and Flashy. These brushes were actually created and formulated for mature skin, which makes sense because this is a luxe brush set. But not only that, they're really soft on the skin. BK Beauty does well with their brushes. They feel really soft and luxurious. This one specifically, this isn't from that set, but I use this one specifically underneath my eyes, which the skin under your eyes is so much thinner. So I like to use a brush that's really soft and not gonna feel super like harsh, like it's scraping on my skin or on my under eye area. The skin is too thin and sensitive under there. Like you don't want to scrape and drag and do all that, you know? This brush right here, which is the A506, the concealer brush, this one actually went viral last year and has been the talk of social media ever since. As you can see, it's like a detailed angle brush, which is perfect for like the under eye area. So I'm gonna use this whole brush set for my makeup look today. But not only did they drop the 7-piece brush set, they dropped 5 of the 7 brushes in travel size. Hello? This pouch is actually vegan leather and it's multi-purpose. So it actually acts as like a stand-up cup for your brushes. So you can sit it in there and then sit it on like your vanity, your desk. In my case, I had it sitting on my desk. It actually fits all of them. You see what I mean? Like what? You can just zip it up, take it with you, or you can just open it up and it acts as a stand-up brush cup. Like we love a multi-purpose product. I'm gonna use the brushes today to show you guys exactly why you need to run, don't walk, before they sell out. Again, you can actually shop the BK Beauty brushes in the YouTube shop on sale for a limited time between July 3rd through the 8th, and use code YT20 for 20% off of all eligible sale products. Run, don't walk, cause y'all, these brushes will sell out. So let me show y'all how I'm about to do my makeup for date night. I've really been into like this like peachy makeup look, especially for summer. And it's so hot outside, I need my face to be able to breathe. I'm gonna start with concealer. I'm going in with the Hourglass concealer. I'm just gonna put that under my eyes and do a little bit on my forehead. I'm just gonna take Flax, which is a lighter concealer shade, and I'm just gonna go on the outer part of my eye. I'm gonna use NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and just cover up my blemishes. My skin has been skinny lately, so I don't have many. So I'm going in with the A506 concealer brush, the infamous A506 brush, and I'm just gonna use this to blend the concealer. Not only does it get deep into the corners, but it also gets right underneath your eyes and blends the concealer seamlessly. Let me zoom y'all in. That's as far as it'll go. I haven't used this product in a minute, but this is the Huda Beauty Tantour Contour and Bronzer Cream. And I'm just using the A507 angle brush. I'm gonna dip into the product and use that to contour. This is a very deep contour color, but I love to do deep contour whenever I'm doing peachy blush. You'll see, it'll all come together. Y'all know how it is. Y'all know with me, you have to trust the process. Then I just bring it into my hairline. Now, because I don't want my face to feel congested, I am gonna use the Rare Beauty. This is the Positive Light Tinted Moisturizer. Y'all remember when I used to use this all the time, like last year, I think it was. Yeah, we're back. I'm using the shade 46C. I'm just gonna apply a little bit on the back of my hand. I am hoping that I'm not too dark for this shade already. To apply the tinted moisturizer, I'm using this A101 brush. I'm just gonna go right into the product and sort of stipple it around on the back of my hand and then apply it. I like the smaller version of this brush because with foundation brushes, I like for them to be more dense, and I feel like the smaller brushes work better when applying the foundation because it allows you to have more control of the product, which gives you a more flawless finish. Bring it up around the contour and the concealer just to sort of blend everything together. Just filling my brows in with the Benefit micro filling pen. Use a little bit of concealer to clean them up. I'm just gonna use the A505 brush to clean underneath and kind of define my brows a little bit. I'm using the Fenty Beauty cream blush in the shade Peachy Face. And I'm actually just gonna use the same brush that I used to apply the contour, which is the A507. Just gonna go into the cream blush, apply that right above the contour and sort of bring it up into my under eye area. Just so pretty. I don't know if the camera is really picking up on this. This blush has like a slight sheen over top, so it gives the most beautiful glow. And I'm just gonna build on that because once I set underneath my eye, it's gonna mute the blush out a little bit. This brush sort of gives like a blown out effect and it looks so good on the skin. Go back under my eyes with the concealer brush and just smooth out any of the creases. I'm gonna use the A503 brush, go into the One Size powder and really just push this powder into my under eye area. This really helps to lock the powder in and really set under the eye while blending out any of the creasing. See the difference? Now I'm just gonna go on top and set my cream blush with the Benefit Butterfly blush. Looks like this. Very, very pretty. It's also like that orangish color and it has shimmer in it. I'm using the same A507 brush to apply it. Absolutely stunning. I'm just gonna use the same brush that I used to apply the powder under my eyes and sort of mesh everything together. Now I'm just gonna go back into the Butterfly blush and I'm using this A501 brush. It's the lid shader brush and I just have the product packed on there. I'm just gonna take and apply that to my lid. I'm just sort of packing that on my lid and bringing it up toward the crease. It's so pretty, but I feel like you guys can't really see it. I want a little more of like a lighter color, so I'm just gonna go into this Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette and I'm gonna go into this middle shade here and I'm just gonna place that directly on my lid. Just like that. I'm gonna set my face using the BK Beauty 104 brush. This is not one of the brushes that's in the set. This is a brush that I've already had, but I'm using the Sephora Micro Smooth powder to set all over my face and sort of reduce the shine. Curling my lashes using the e.l.f. lash curler. YSL mascara. It's been a long time since I've worn strip lashes. I'm trying to grow my lashes back out again. Strip lashes it is. I'm just gonna use these Rebel lashes from Kiss. Very beautiful pair. Nice and fluffy. They look like they're a little too long, so I'm gonna size them. Just as I thought they're a little too long, so I'm gonna cut them. I'm applying the lash glue directly to the strip. And I'm just gonna take the piece of the lash that I cut off and apply it to the end. What a difference lashes make. Make sure that when y'all apply y'all lashes that y'all always use a black lash glue. There is nothing cute about a clockable lash band. I'm just using the Espresso lip liner by NYX. Now to really tie in the peachy color that we're going for, I'm gonna use this Fenty Gloss Bomb Cream in the shade Peach Pout. I'm just gonna set my face using the Benefit Professional Super Setter setting spray. Let's let that dry. So here is the final result. This might be my favorite makeup look that I've done all year. I don't know if it has a lot to do with the fact that I haven't really been doing a full face all year, but this might be my top favorite of the year. I'm gonna go ahead and change my clothes so I can get out of here. Again, I want to thank BK Beauty for partnering with me in today's video. You can purchase your BK Beauty brushes in the YouTube shop from July 3rd through July 8th. Remember, it's a limited time, and when I tell you they be selling out, they be selling out. Don't forget to use the code YT20 for 20% off of your purchase of all eligible products. I hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup look. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.